Hello, this is attorney Stephen Spano.
And I'm attorney Andrea Witt with a legal and financial minute or two.
Write it and forget it is how most people think of their estate planning documents, especially their wills.
It's a dangerous but common theme that fractures families and often results in expensive litigation.
It can also result in your property and money going to people who would never have received it if you had really thought about it.
Or it can result in your property not going to the people you want it to go to.
Here's a good example of this. Assume you have a will that leaves your home at 100 Main Street to your daughter, who's helped care for you for many years.
And that you leave the rest of your property and money equally among all 5 of your children.
So what if you sell 100 Main Street and buy a new home at 350 Broadway?
But you never update your will.
And then you die.
There is no 100 Main Street home to leave to your daughter.
And the law does not replace your 100 Main Street home with your new home at 350 Broadway.
Your daughter doesn't get your old home, which you no longer own.
And she doesn't get your new home either.
She only gets 1/5 of the new home.
And she'll probably have to move from what she has thought of as her home.
So that the home can be sold and her siblings can get their money from the sale of the home.
We've seen this happen over and over and over again.
But don't let it happen to you.
Review your will and your other documents every single year.
You don't need to go to an attorney to review them.
Just make it some sort of habit to review them once a year, maybe on your birthday as a gift to those you love.
Look through the pages where you state who gets what and when.
Does it all still make sense?
If not, call a qualified attorney to be sure your will does what you want it to do.
So join us for our next episode of A Legal and Financial Minute or Two.
And remember, all legal and financial professionals are not the same. Seek out an expert legal and financial professional to protect you and your family.
We hope this Legal and Financial Minute or Two has helped you and those you love to protect your health, your assets, your income, and preserve your way of life.
And if you have something you'd like us to address in one of our segments, or have any questions on this or another legal or financial topic, feel free to call or text Spano, DeWicki, and Witt at 781-231-7800, or email us at help@spanodewicki.com.